In this quick video, I want to show you how to remove these dies, these personalized dies in the insert here, and then I want to actually show you how to put them back on with new ones. It's fairly simple to do. To remove the insert out of the embosser notary, fairly simple to do. This particular one, this is a Trodat, and it doesn't matter if you have a max seal or a shiny. It's pretty universal on how to do them with any of them. This particular lock-in mechanism, the only reason that's for is just to make sure that when you store it, it doesn't move up and down. So let's make sure it's on lock like that. See, so that way you can store it and it won't open. All right, so let's go ahead and unlock it, and that will remove the handle here. So the only thing you have to do is just push down while the handle's up, like that, and it should just pull right out like this. All right, so here is the individual die that I had here, and I want to replace it. All right, in order to do that, the only thing you have to do is first recognize which side's up. So this right here, it says up right here. That's the female side, and then this is the bottom right here, and that's the male side. And the reason it's male is because this is like a embroidery where it's raised right here. And then this side that goes on the very upside, the top, is inward. You can feel it here, the embroidery, and you can't feel it here. All right, and then to remove it, you can get pliers like this, or you can get like a little small flathead screwdriver, and sometimes it'll just wiggle out, but you want to make sure that you don't damage it. They're pretty easy to replace if you do. And I personally want to try getting it from this side and then pulling it out. If you can't do that, just get your little flathead and work around it like this. Go on the side here. Okay, as you can see that. All right, and then we want to do the same thing with the other side. All right, as you can see there, it's got some sticky residue here, but that's okay. And then get your new ones and just reverse what I just did. All right, so remember the upside is the female, and you want this to be indentured here, not raised. So remember, it depends on what side of the paper that you're going to be stamping it on. If you're going to do it on the side, you're going to do it on the bottom, or you're going to do it on the top. That really depends on the direction that you're going to put this. So just basically use common sense, which direction, all right? So it's going to have the white sticky part right here, and then what you want to do is the female part, of course, you put on the top. So I want to do it this way, and then the sticky part here, this is raised, so that's going to be the male, which is going to be on the bottom, and you got to make sure that it matches up, right? So you can line it up like that and then push down like that. And what you want to do is test it out on a piece of paper. The good thing about it is if you don't get it lined up perfectly, you can always remove it and put it on again. All right, just lift the handle. Make sure that the top is on the top side. And you can see there, it just pops in. All right, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.